Hello again everyone. So hacking is not just about breaking into system or stealing data. It is a vast skill that involves understanding how computer system works, how network work, and how to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities, how to attack and defend system, and much more. Everything is covered in this course, but good research and dedication makes you a good hacker. So the first step in hacking is gathering information. So this is about a target system or network. We will learn how to do this practically. So digital footprints like breadcrumbs left by a system can reveal valuable information, and we will explore essential techniques to follow and understand these trails. So once we have gathered information, it is time to scan the target system for potential vulnerabilities. You will get real-world example to do so in further lecture. So we will discuss various scanning tools and techniques that hackers use to find weaknesses in a system. It helps us to identify the services and resources available on the target system, so providing valuable information and insight for further attacking. So that's why it is very important. And last but not least, exploration and gaining access is most exciting part of for any hacker, and we will dive into the fascinating world of exploiting weaknesses to gain unauthorized access to computer system and networks. Understanding how hackers exploit vulnerabilities is essential for cybersecurity professionals to protect against such attacks. So we are going to cover both. As we dive deeper into the world of hacking, it's vital to understand the importance of ethical hacking and cybersecurity also. Ethical hackers, also known as the white hat hackers, plays a crucial role in the identifying and fixing security. So to protect system from malicious attack, we need to deep dive and learn all kind of ethical hacking, and this course is designed to learn ethical hacking, cyber security, and certified ethical hacking. So you will be learning everything that a hacker should know. So that's it for this lecture, and see you in the next video.